Imagine you have a problem where you want to simplify complex queries by using metaprogramming techniques in PostgreSQL. In this case, you have two similar functions that reference different columns in the same table. The verbose syntax of calling these functions multiple times with redundant parameters makes the queries cumbersome to read and maintain, creating a problem in your workflow. The solution to this issue involves creating a dynamic SQL function named example.markout that takes inputs such as the table name, column name, symbol, time underscore of, start interval, and duration interval. This function constructs a SQL statement dynamically based on the input parameters, executes the statement, and returns the result. By using this approach, you can now call the example.markout function with the desired table, column, and other necessary parameters, simplifying the query and reducing redundancy, thus solving your original problem. Continuing with the solution, you can now invoke the example.markout function in your query to fetch the desired values from the database, significantly improving the readability and maintainability of your code. By passing the table name, column name, symbol, time underscore of, start interval, and duration interval to the function, you can retrieve the required information without the need for repetitive code, streamlining your queries effectively. In summary, by leveraging dynamic SQL and creating a custom function in PostgreSQL, you can overcome the challenge of writing verbose and redundant queries. The example.markout function allows you to simplify complex queries by passing essential parameters and generating the SQL statement based on the inputs, resulting in more concise and readable code. So go ahead, try implementing this solution in your projects and make your PostgreSQL queries more efficient. And remember, subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts on this nifty database trick.